Okay, so tell me what you did today.
So today we worked on putting in curb supports that go through to support the fiberglass to the styrofoam to get us back to the curve. So if you take a look up underneath, you'll see that the top side of the thing is now correctly curved to shed water.
Oh, yeah.
So that was kind of the goal, was to get it to straighten itself back out, and then we'll have to make sure that when we pull that curve out that our edges are even all the way around, because with the bow in it, it pushes your sides out. So now that we've rechanged the angle, we got to just make sure that our curve's mounted straight and fix something up to the side of these. We got to fix this curve here before we fiberglass, because we don't want to fiberglass this curve into it.
Oh, yeah.
So we'll have to mount some kind of structure to that before we fiberglass.
Okay. Not to mention the fact that you fixed the forklift.
Yes.
And moved the wood and moved all the boats.
Yep.
Oops, over here is what I did today. I took all the stuff out of the trailer. Here. I couldn't get the refrigerator out. It's a gas fridge, and so we have to take that out more carefully. And I made a big mess. But I think that's half of what these projects are, is making a big mess and then cleaning them up. So